I think this conclave, the key thing it does is that for management students, it brings lessons of leadership and management which are derived from the army, the military, and wars. And if we go back, one of the earliest manners of administering, arranging, and management was the army. Wars were fought, the generals had to plan. Alexander the Great had to plan, So there was management then, even supply chain, logistics, army, what to do, when to do, timing. So the classic origins of management thinking and leadership come from war, preparing for war, conducting war over thousands of years or even millions of years for which humans have been on this planet. So therefore, I think it's an amazing and a very appropriate approach to take for the students to be exposed to the fact that principles of management, principles of leadership derive from the army, military. And I think General Kocher did a fantastic job by bringing together some of the topmost, brightest, bravest soldiers, leaders of our army, for them to share their experiences with the students.
Now, there have been immense dignitaries who have been here, including you, sir. Now, what do you think will be the key takeaways that the students will be incorporating from, you talk about you, we talk about Major General Kocher and other leaders as well?
I think a few takeaways which General Kocher has highlighted and which the students wanted to know, I think, and all the speakers mentioned, was what is the state of the world today, state of world affairs. Where is the world going? Because suddenly there seems to be a lot of turmoil, a lot of change, and a management term which is used, a VUCA world. It's a world which is volatile, uncertain, complex, and ambiguous. So for the students to realize that it's a VUCA world and that this world of today is actually like a matrix in flux. Arrangements are happening, partnerships are being strengthened or weakened or broken off. So the world is under reconstruction in a way, this matrix. So I think the big picture was for students to realize the complexities of the world which is there outside, the principles of leadership. And one more aspect came out quite clearly, all speakers mentioned, was for the students to adopt an attitude of being resilient. There's a saying in English, which goes popular in Europe and US, when life gives you a lemon, make lemonade. That is, when life gives you difficult situations, do anything, do whatever. Do not lose hope, stay motivated. So I think that sentiment, that when life gives you a lemon, there will be times you will fall down, you will suffer setbacks, but you have to stay motivated and have hope. I think that was another key message of this conclave.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.